Jeebus, that does sound like you're breaking it. What up, guys? Alright, today's little video, it's just gonna be a short one. I'm bored today and it's kind of nice out, so we're gonna do a little project in the garage. Yeah, so I found some extra vinyl just kind of laying around. So today we are going to wrap the mirrors. I don't know, screw it, I'm bored. I've seen a couple little videos, but not really a how-to. I only seen a couple on how to remove them. Looks like a pain in the ass, but we're gonna try it out. Gonna remove them, clay bar them, and then probably just put like a little coat of wax. I know you're probably not supposed to, but I just want to make sure nothing happens to the paint or anything. It is 3M, so I should be good. But we're gonna just wrap them black, and then I feel it should make the car look a little bit nicer. It's a tiny little mod, but it's something to do. And let's get into the garage. I want to get an energy drink first, yeah. But yeah, let's go in the garage. We'll try this stuff out, and if it doesn't work, what's cool, you can remove it. Cool thing about vinyl. Anyways, let's go in the garage. Now, supposedly you're just supposed to pull underneath, pop this clip, and then pop them this way. But let's try it. I'm nervous. Oh, that might be that one right there. Hopefully. Jeebus, that does sound like you're breaking it. All good though. Check that out. It's already off. All the clips are intact. So I'm gonna clean all this, clay bar it, and then wrap it. So let me try the other side. Well, let me clean this first. There we go. And we're clear. Look at that. Nothing broken, so let's wipe them.
Silky beat.
Alright, quick little update. And there goes all my stuff. A couple creases in it, of course. Not perfect, but well, it'll do for now. Until I can rewrap it or actually order some vinyl. Mind you, this is just stuff laying around, so. And once it cooks out in the sun for a little bit. Oh, it is left side, so let's go see what it looks like. That's actually pretty dope. I'm liking it. Ooh, lots of creases.